In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder tasks in Microsoft Planner. By the end, you'll know how to quickly rearrange individual tasks, look at your plan from different angles using group by, and even move entire buckets to match the way your team works. Start in the board view, where your plan is organized into vertical buckets. To change the order of tasks within a single bucket, click and hold the task card you want to move, then drag it up or down until you see the insertion point where you want it to land. Release to drop it in place. This is perfect for setting a clear sequence or visual priority. If your bucket is long, scroll while holding the task to reach the right spot. You can also move a task to a different bucket. Click and hold the card, drag it horizontally to the new bucket, and drop it there. For example, you might move something from a to-do bucket into in progress when work starts. This changes the task's bucket without altering details like due date or assignee. Sometimes you don't need to move tasks one by one, you just need a different lens on the same work. In the top right, open the group by menu. By default, it shows bucket, but you can switch to assign to see who is handling what. This makes it easy to spot uneven workloads at a glance. Choose progress to group tasks by not started, in progress, or completed, which helps you focus on momentum rather than location. Use due date when you want to zero in on what's late today, tomorrow, or next week. Labels are great if you've set up color-coded tags for themes or work streams, and group by priority lets you review urgent, important, medium, and low buckets. In many of these views, you can drag a task between groups to change that attribute directly. For example, move a task from medium to urgent or reassign it by dragging it under a different person. Think of group by as a flexible way to organize without permanently changing your buckets unless you intentionally drop a task into a new group. If you need to restructure the layout of your plan, you can reorder entire buckets. Hover over a bucket's name at the top of the column, click and hold, then drag the whole column left or right to its new position. Release to set it. This helps you keep your most important buckets front and center. If you can't move buckets or tasks, check that you're in the board view and that you have edit permissions for the plan. That's it, clean, quick, and tailored to how you and your team work.